Hi, it's not every single day of the week that we get to name and brand a company, but a number of months ago, we were able to help an organization called Biocentric rename and rebrand their organization. And I am here at ISCT in New Orleans. The show is about to begin again, so I'm kind of being quiet just in case I'm not going to bother anybody. But I'm here at the show, and our client, now called Made Scientific, is here with their first big booth. It's pretty cool. I wanted to show you guys how it came out and explain a little bit more about the brand. This is how the logo turned out. And you can see there's a hint of a beaker, which is supposed to be a nod towards the different kinds of work that they do. You can see here we have their tagline, defy limits, deliver results. The messaging was really a collaborative effort between our team and the team at Made Scientific. We're very excited about how everything has turned out. You can see a few of the brand elements in here. They really wanted to own the color green, and that's also a nod towards one of the organizations that they're a part of called GC. There are a few elements in this brand that are kind of fun to talk about though really quickly. So yes, the number one thing is we have hidden a beaker within the mark, and you can see it in the A up there. There's a detail about this brand I wanted to mention, because really well executed brands have really great details executed everywhere you go. And there's a little thing in this, there's a little element to this brand that's important to make note of. It was brought up by our client to take the hard edges that we have in these geometric shapes and combine them with rounded edges. You can see it there. And so in each of the letters of the word made, you'll see it has both hard and curved edges. And that little detail appears in all sorts of places. And it's subliminal, but that level of detail is something that is a good way to extend what the personality of the team is, that they're very detailed oriented. So you can see right here on the edge of the booth, there's that curvature, and there's also hard edges. And if you look right above me, actually, you can see it right above me, that is the hanging sign, and it also features the same curve and hard edge. It's that kind of level of detail that makes brands really special, and this client really let us go all the way. It's an excellent executed brand and an excellent team. You'll see this little pattern up here, and the little pattern was built out of the top of the M. We try to find ways to incorporate, like we call them hidden Mickeys, but we try to incorporate something from the mark in the rest of the brand language. They work in cell therapy, so we thought it'd be fun to have all these organic shapes. And you can see them throughout the booth, all these organic shapes. Obviously, this is all about science, so we wanted to have some nod to the different cell types that they work with. They work with T cells, NK cells, HSCs, MSCs, iPSCs, and even TILs. So they do quite a lot. And one of the things that we thought would be kind of fun with the name Made, they're obviously in the CDMO space, so they work with organizations that are building their own cell therapies, but they also do training, and they also allow folks to come into the lab and work alongside them. So we thought about different kind of campaigns that could be using the word made in different ways, like from being self-made, being made with us, being made for you. So there's all sorts of interesting ways we can work with that language. We were very, very lucky to also get the domain. So over there we're featuring madescientific.com, and I'll also just take you back here for a second and show you a little bit more of the brand. You can see our friends at Medium helped take some of those brand elements, actually make dimensional graphics for us. So these are all cut out, and they're also featured in the front wall over there too. And then back here, we're starting to show photographs of their lab that they're building in Princeton, New Jersey. You can also see that the whole brand starts to come alive with all the different elements. So you have the shape of the beaker that came from the logo, and that's the negative shape there, with the organic pattern inside of it. And we also have all these very flowy, fun, energetic colors kind of all coming together, all these organic shapes to be a nod towards all of the cell therapy. See, unlock your cell therapy full potential. Back here, we actually have one more little mention to the GC folks who made all this happen with the folks over at Made Scientific as well. Very excited to work with all these folks and get a chance to see it in real life. It's always special to get to a show and see a thing that you've been working on, all in digital, make it into the real world. You can see over here too. Here's that brand element all cut out. Really fun. And they took these elements and they're also working them into their facilities. So when you visit their facilities in Princeton, New Jersey, you'll get to see some of this brand language as well. Really love what Medium does when they take our work and they make it come to life. It's illuminated. Anyway, that's the Made brand. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to do a few more videos while I'm here at ISCT. First chance I've ever had to attend a show like this one. In a few days, I'll be at ASGCT. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.